Hi everybody, Jamie here from Wedgwood. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Wedgwood W app to make an auto claim. We know in the event of an accident, emotions can be running high, and our auto claims tool is an AI-powered chatbot that will walk you through every step of the way. So let's begin. Open the app and sign in. From here, select auto claim. You have the option to talk through using your microphone, or you can type.
Hi, let's get your auto claim started. You can take or submit pictures at any time by selecting the camera icon.
In this case, we'll use the microphone. I was rear-ended.
What was the vehicle year?
2019.
What is the vehicle make?
GMC.
What is the vehicle model?
Terrain.
Please type the full legal name of the person driving, e.g. Robert Smith, not Bob Smith. When did this accident happen?
Around 8:30 this morning.
Can you please describe what happened?
I was rear-ended while stopping for someone at a crosswalk.
Were you or anyone in your car hurt?
No.
Other than your car, were any other vehicles involved in the collision?
Yes.
To complete your claim, please tell me the year, make and model of each car that was in the crash.
So this is where you get the information from the other party involved. You can add images, so you allow access to your camera, grab the photos if you've got it, or take images on the fly. So you can grab a photo there, done, and upload it, and away you go. So we take the guesswork out of the auto claims experience and make it as easy and straightforward as possible. It's never fun, but we try to make sure we cover all our bases, and it's pretty simple to do using the Wedgwood W app. Any questions, let us know. You can always reach us at info@wedgwoodinsurance.com. Thanks and have a great day.